Hello, today we will guide you through how to compare two branches in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab and make sure you are on the home page. This is your starting point for accessing the repository where you want to review changes. Comparing branches is useful when you want to see what has changed between two versions of your code, whether you are preparing for a merge, reviewing updates, or simply checking progress across branches. Once you are on the GitLab home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Projects. This will take you to the area where your available repositories are listed. If you work across multiple projects, this section helps you quickly locate the one you want to inspect. From the projects list, open the sample project shown on screen. In your own workflow, this would be the repository containing the branches you want to compare. Selecting the correct project is important because branch comparisons only work within the repository you are currently viewing. After the project opens, go to the left-hand navigation again and click on Code. This section gives you access to the repository contents and related development tools. It is also where GitLab provides options for browsing branches, commits, and comparisons. Next, find and click Compare Revisions. This opens the branch comparison view, where you can choose two references to evaluate side by side. In GitLab, the comparison tool helps you understand the difference between a source branch and a target branch, including commits and file-level changes. Now select the source branch. The source is typically the branch containing the changes you want to review. For example, this might be a feature branch, update branch, or another working branch. Be careful to choose the correct source, because this determines which changes GitLab highlights in the comparison. After that, select the target branch. The target is usually the branch you want to compare against, such as your main or development branch. Choosing the right target gives you an accurate picture of what is different between the two branches. Once both the source and target branches are selected, click Compare. GitLab will then generate the comparison results for you. From there, you can review the differences between the two branches, including commits and change files. As a quick tip, if the results do not look as expected, double-check that the source and target branches were selected in the intended order. That simple detail can make the comparison much easier to interpret. And that's how to compare two branches in GitLab.